Previa, and I shall be playing my hand warm-ups, which is Hammond. So, number 1. I think the Casio Previa has very good sound quality, one of the best that I've played on, and it has really good weighted keys too.
What does that mean?
It means that I could play really loud if I wanted to, like, or really quiet. But
Cool.
it's still on the same volume setting.
Awesome. Anything else?
I don't know, I think that's it.